Welcome to this stunning backyard oasis, where decorative mosaic tile edging adds a burst of color and pattern to garden beds filled with exotic plants and tropical flowers. It's a visual feast, where each tile tells a story of artistry and craftsmanship, enhancing the beauty of the lush greenery. A cascading waterfall feature creates a soothing ambience, its gentle murmur blending harmoniously with the rustle of leaves and the chirping of birds. Nearby, a paved patio beckons, offering a stylish outdoor entertaining area where you can gather with friends and family to enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you're admiring the blooms, relaxing by the waterfall, or hosting a soiree on the patio, this enchanting sanctuary promises a memorable escape into the wonders of the outdoors. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Welcome to this breathtaking backyard retreat, where tiered retaining walls elegantly serve as edging for terraced garden beds brimming with a vibrant array of flowering plants and cascading foliage. It's a symphony of colors and textures, where each level reveals a new burst of natural beauty. Above, a pergola draped in climbing roses offers shade for a cozy seating area, creating a romantic ambience that enchants the outdoor space. It's the perfect spot to savor a glass of wine or share intimate conversations amidst the fragrant blooms and lush greenery. Whether you're admiring the flowers or simply enjoying the tranquility of the space, this enchanting sanctuary promises a blissful escape into the wonders of nature's embrace. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where romance and relaxation await around every corner. Welcome to this serene backyard retreat, where whimsical cobblestone edging gracefully meanders around a tranquil water feature adorned with delicate aquatic plants and floating lilies. It's a scene straight from a storybook, where the gentle babble of water mingles with the rustle of leaves, creating a symphony of serenity. Japanese maples and ornamental grasses sway in the breeze, adding to the sense of tranquility that permeates the landscape. A wooden bridge, reminiscent of a fairy tale crossing, adds a touch of charm and invites you to explore further. Whether you're lounging by the water's edge or crossing the bridge to new adventures, this enchanting sanctuary promises a peaceful escape from the chaos of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Step into this picturesque backyard paradise, where elegant stone edging meticulously frames lush flower beds brimming with a vibrant array of perennials and ornamental grasses. Each stone is carefully placed, adding to the timeless beauty of the landscape. Follow the winding pathway of crushed gravel, which leads you through the verdant oasis to a cozy seating area nestled amidst the greenery. It's a tranquil retreat, where you can unwind and immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of nature. Whether you're admiring the blooms or simply enjoying the peace and quiet, this enchanting sanctuary promises a blissful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Step into this captivating backyard oasis, where sleek metal edging defines geometric-shaped garden beds overflowing with sculptural succulents and resilient drought-tolerant plants. It's a modern marvel, where each plant is a work of art in its own right, thriving amidst the contemporary landscape design. Meandering through the garden, a stylish pathway of paving stones arranged in a herringbone pattern adds visual intrigue and elegance to the outdoor space. It's a symphony of shapes and textures, where every element harmonizes to create a feast for the eyes. Whether you're admiring the succulents or strolling along the pathway, this enchanting sanctuary promises a journey through a landscape of beauty and sophistication. Welcome to your own slice of modern paradise. Welcome to this charming backyard hideaway, where ornate wrought iron edging forms graceful curves around lush flower beds bursting with seasonal blooms. It's a scene straight out of a fairy tale, where each flower whispers tales of beauty and enchantment. Nestled amidst the blooms, a cozy fire pit surrounded by inviting Adirondack chairs beckons, promising nights filled with warmth, relaxation, and heartfelt conversations under the twinkling stars. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day, surrounded by the soothing sights and sounds of nature. Whether you're sharing stories with loved ones or simply basking in the glow of the fire, this enchanting sanctuary offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where every moment is a cherished memory in the making. Welcome to this tranquil backyard sanctuary, where bamboo edging gracefully borders a zen garden filled with raked gravel and meticulously placed rocks. It's a place of serene beauty, where each element is thoughtfully arranged to inspire peace and harmony. Ornamental grasses and bamboo plants sway gently in the breeze, creating a sense of tranquility that permeates the space. Amidst the garden, a meditation bench invites you to sit and embrace the stillness, offering a peaceful spot for quiet contemplation and reflection. Whether you're seeking solace in nature's embrace or simply enjoying a moment of quietude, this enchanting sanctuary promises a journey of inner peace and serenity. Welcome to your own slice of Zen paradise, where every breath brings you closer to tranquility. Welcome to this enchanting backyard sanctuary, where rustic timber edging delicately defines the borders of raised garden beds overflowing with colorful blooms and aromatic herbs. It's a scene straight from a storybook, where each bed is a vibrant tapestry of nature's beauty. Above, a pergola draped with climbing vines offers shade for a charming outdoor dining area, beckoning you to gather with loved ones for al fresco meals and cherished moments. It's a perfect spot for laughter and conversation, where the scent of flowers mingles with the aroma of freshly cooked meals, creating an atmosphere of warmth and joy. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where every corner is infused with the magic of the outdoors. Step into this charming backyard oasis, where whimsical fairy garden edging adds a sprinkle of magic to the landscape. Amongst the flowers and foliage, miniature houses, bridges, and figurines create an enchanting fairy tale setting that delights the imagination of both young and old alike. It's a place where dreams come to life, where every corner holds a new adventure waiting to unfold. Whether you're exploring the tiny pathways or simply marveling at the intricate details of the fairy garden, this enchanting sanctuary promises to transport you to a world of wonder and whimsy. Welcome to your own slice of fairy tale paradise, where the magic of imagination knows no bounds. Step into this inviting backyard haven, where recycled glass bottle edging creates a one-of-a-kind border for flower beds brimming with native wildflowers and pollinator-friendly plants. It's a sustainable masterpiece, where eco-conscious design meets the beauty of nature. Amidst the vibrant blooms, a hammock sways gently between two trees, offering a peaceful retreat for afternoon naps and moments of relaxation. It's the perfect spot to unwind, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the outdoors. Whether you're lounging in the hammock, admiring the flowers, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the space, this enchanting sanctuary promises a blissful escape into the wonders of the natural world. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where sustainability and serenity go hand in hand.